I am here at Hotel Xcaret in Casa Agua, and I want to give you a room tour. This place is insane, guys. Not only is this room insane, but the whole resort is absolutely crazy. Take a look here at this beautiful door. All these really cool switches. When you turn them, I'm using my phone here as a little extra light. Look at that. Turns off. Let me use the other one. Here is a really nice sink. 2 sinks, and then open up this little drawer here. My girlfriend's helping me out with this video. Look at all the stuff they give you. Just like I opened some of these so you can see the detail, but there's a comb, there's a sponge, but there's so many other things that they give you in there to use. And if you don't use it all, you can take it home. Here they have a really cool bathtub with jets right by your bed, and then you have some really cool really nice towels. And right here you do also have this really cool mirror that magnifies into your face. And here are some mouthwash and things like that. Okay, moving along now here to this closet slash bathroom area. This does turn into a steam room, actually. So you use this system over here, and it turns into a steam room. So if you want to do some steam room, you could go ahead and do that. And then there's also a waterfall system going on up there. So here, let me open up this door so you guys can see what that looks like. There's a waterfall, and then there's another one over here. They do have this honey shampoo and stuff over there. Some more towels over there. Okay, now here you have the toilet area. Let me show you what this looks like. Open up this door here. So here is a look at the toilet area, just normal toilet, but here you can see they have some cool theming going on. Now this button, actually, when you press it, it goes into privacy mode. Like, look at that. So you can do privacy or non-privacy, whatever you're feeling. So that's that's the first time I've ever seen that. Here in the closet area, they have a safe. You also have this sewing kit, and then also some slippers that you can take home as well. And here, some extra pillows up there. Let's go ahead and move these doors so we can see what's going on over here on this side, because I think you get some robes. That's my sweater there, don't mind that. You get some robes here. You can enjoy it during your stay. If not, you can purchase it for $100. Wow. Okay, so then you also could take this bag home, by the way. Right here there is some signage that says you can take that home if you want to take that home. Okay, here's a overall view of the room. This place is huge. Okay, let's go ahead. You have this huge mirror right here that you could move, actually. So you have 2 big mirrors if you want, with lighting. Here is a look at a little plant they have there. And then if you're doing some, joint rooms, you can do that. Here's a look at the beds. Okay. They gave us 2 queen size beds with beautiful pillows, very soft. You do have a phone, you have Apple TV in here, and you can order room service from your TV. All of your AC controls are right there. You have some outlets. These are just normal US outlets, and then all your lighting controls are right over here. Okay, now I want to show you guys this little desk area right here. This is all my stuff that I kind of just have out, but you do have a phone. You have this light that turns on. I don't know why it's not on. Actually, it's right here. I need to turn this on so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And then here in the coffee area, you have some water and a coffee machine. And down here is where you have all of your ice and cups. All of this here is included in the room. You can eat this at no extra charges, like peanuts and snacks and stuff like that. And then over here you have a fridge full of sodas, beer, mineral water, and that's all paid for as well. Now we are celebrating my girlfriend's birthday, so here you have, look at this. Wow. Some desserts. Just wait till I show you guys outside how beautiful that looks, but you can see there's just some decor and a piñata right here. And then you also get some cups here in this room. Now you can see there's a small little table here with some books and then a couch, and you can see right here there's a look at the books. Okay, let's go outside now. You guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. Look at this really beautiful area here outside. I'm gonna put my phone away so we can go ahead and see this outside area. I started filling up that tub. Oh, there's some fish swimming by over there. Currently here in Cancun, in Xcaret Hotel. It's about 5 p.m. I think. We just got back from our day at the Shellha Park. Guys, this place is crazy. So here, actually, during the day, this is just the hotel area. Here, you could do kayaking, actually. So this whole area, you can, do kayaking. We're on like the second or third floor, I think. But this actually is another tub. Now this, I was asking some questions about it. This is actually volcanic rock. I don't know how they brought it up here, but the other rooms next door have it as well. And then you have your hammock right here if you want to do some relaxing. There's another one over here as well, another hammock that you can do. And then they have a chair that you can just chill by. What do you guys think? Is this place crazy or what? Volcanic rock. Insane. Look at the view. At night, this whole area turns on with beautiful, lighting. This is the most amazing resort I've ever seen. But take a look. Here's another walkthrough of the room. There's an overall view here. You have, like I said, you have Apple TV, room service, all inclusive. Over 20 restaurants, I believe. So go ahead and comment down below. Look at the beautiful artwork they have here in the room. Let me know what you guys think about this. Would you guys stay here? Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to check out my Cancun videos that I will be uploading here as well, because I got more to share with all of you. Make sure to hit the like button on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.